Now we are on the right side. We have knitted all the wrong side. Slip 1, knit 1, knit from below, 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 knit 1. Complete the whole row like this. Knit from below, knit 1, knit from below, knit 1. Now we have completed the first row. Now on the wrong side, slip 1, where we have 2 stitches on this, like this, here two, we have 2 stitches. We have to take this 1 stitch and knit with this stitch. It is only simple stitch. Knit 1, take this string where we have knitted from below, take this string, knit with this, knit 1, knit with this string, 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 knit 1, pick this string, take this on the right needle and knit this stitch, take this string, knit with this, knit 1, knit, put this string on the right needle and knit this string. You can put it off like this as well. Knit 1, pick this string, knit 1 and throw this over here, knit 1, pick this string, knit 1, put this string over here, knit 1, pick this string to right needle, knit 1 and throw it here. You can do like this as well. Knit 1, pick this string, knit with this, throw this string. It is very easy, only 2 row design. It is very beautiful and you can put this design on baby sweaters, baby jackets, muffler, and jet sweaters as well. Knit one, and this is the edge stitch. Now we have completed 2 rows. Now start with this. Now slip one, knit this single. It is single and it is double. Put this, knit this from below. The stitch which is single, knit it from below, and the stitch which is double string, it should be single knit. Knit from below, knit from below, but keep in mind where there are 2 stitches it should be simple knit, and where is single string it should be from beneath the stitch. Knit from below, knit from below, knit from below, knit one, 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 knit from below the stitch, knit one, knit from below the stitch, knit one, knit from below the stitch, knit one, and this is the edge stitch. Now we have completed the 3rd row. It is 4th row. Actually it is only two rows pattern. I am completing only 4 rows. Yarn behind, where there are 2 stitches we have to take the string. There are 2 stitches. Pull the string, knit like this, knit one, pull the string, knit one, pull the string from below. You can knit like this, knit one, pull the string below, knit one, knit one by pulling the string from below, knit one, pull with, knit with string, knit one, 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 knit with string, and repeat the 2 rows alternatively, and you will find the beautiful pattern. This pattern is called honeybee pattern. Please guys, make this pattern and share with me your experience. It is edge stitch. Yeah. Yes, I have made this pattern for you as a sample. It is wool of thick consistency, that's why it is looking like this, and it is very thick pattern. I will make this pattern little big and I will show you this pattern as well. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. This pattern is in thick wool and this is in the very thin wool.